काजल एंड मोहित जी. सो काजल, मोहित जी, आप अपने टेस्टिमनी को शेयर कीजिए. इफ यू कैन कम ऑन द स्पॉटलाइट. यस, ओवर टू यू काजल जी.
Yeah, hi. I'm so sorry. Mohit had to leave for something urgent had come up. So he just left. So I'll try
नो.
to cover what he wanted to say. So it's been 2 months we have taken Healy, and we were introduced to this beautiful concept by Pankaj and Upma. We are from Jaipur, and I am into wealth management, and Mohit is into recruitment. So the reason for buying Healy was so we were not facing any kind of health issues, but the only thing was we wanted. Uh, so डेली लाइफ में भी बहुत चीजें होती हैं जो देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम इन द लाइफ, बट कई बार ऐसा होता है कि हमें किसी चीज का सोल्यूशन चाहिए होता है. देर इज नो प्रॉब्लम बट स्टिल वी नीड सम सोल्यूशन कि सब कुछ स्मूथ चलता रहे. So the only reason for taking it was to have a peaceful life, because both of us were struggling in our jobs, and the days were going very hectic. धीरे धीरे हेल्थ पे भी इफेक्ट आने लगा था. So when we came to know about this concept that there is something which will help you to have a peaceful life, then we took it. So a couple of testimonies that a couple of changes that we found in our life. So firstly, the day when we took Healy, uh, before a week of buying Healy, Mohit was suffering from some digestive system disorder. His stomach was very upset, and he was going to doctor every alternative. The day we took Healy, Pankaj and Upma told us ki rely on it. Let me take the programs and let me help you come out of it. Frankly speaking, we didn't believe कि हम इतने दिन से परेशान हो रहे हैं, and that problem persists last year also, before last year also. So we were thinking कि ये same problem है and it would need a doctor's advice. But keeping a faith on Upma and Pankaj, we started that session, and to our magical belief, it went very well, and the problem was cured in a single day. Next day onwards, he was feeling so light, and he just said कि मतलब मुझे लग नहीं रहा था कि दवाइयों के बिना ठीक होगा. आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि मैं ड्रिप भी लगवा के आ जाऊँ, इतना बुरा हाल हो रहा है. बट थिंग्स गॉट सॉर्टेड इन अ सिंगल डे. Secondly, I was as I mentioned that I was having a very hectic day. पूरा दिन सुबह 5 बजे से रात को 11 o'clock तक I used to just rush to office and managing home and small kids. तो थोड़ा सा स्लीप डिसऑर्डर होना शुरू हो गया था. नींद अच्छे से नहीं आती थी. The day we took Hilly, from the next day onwards, my sleep was very peaceful. And मैं रोज I used to put balm, apply balm on my head, and then अच्छे से बांध के I used to sleep, because मुझे लगता था उसके बिना मुझे नींद नहीं आएगी. And from it's been 2 months, हमारे घर से बाम गायब हो गई है. आई एम नॉट यूजिंग इट एट ऑल.